Ever felt like this? Maybe you weren't cut out for this? Like the problem was you? I need you to hear this. You're not broken. The funnel was. I've been burned by systems that overpromised and underdelivered. Funnels that look great on the outside but collapsed the moment I tried to build something real. So I started documenting everything. No hype, no earnings, just truth. The video is called Home Business Academy Compensation Plan. Starting from zero, here's what I'm documenting daily. I chose that title because I'm not here to pitch you. I'm here to show you exactly what I'm testing step by step from day one. If you've ever wanted to see what a trust-first system looks like before the results kick in, this is it. Stick around because in the next 2 minutes I'll break down the exact payout structure and why it's different from every funnel I've tested. Plus I'll share the one line that flipped my mindset after getting burned. Now most systems are built to sell, not to serve. What I found inside Home Business Academy flipped everything. It's not just a comp plan, it's a trust first engine. And I'm documenting it daily so you can see the real journey, not just the highlight reel. Quick pause. If this already feels different than the usual pitch, that's intentional. Here's how the Home Business Academy compensation plan works. Tier 1, the $25 digital product. $20 a month residual commission. Tier 2, $125 premium product. $100 a month residual commission. See the difference? Sorry, I don't know why that popped up right there. The similarities, 80% residual commissions, okay? 80%. $500 mastermind, $400 one-time commission. Again, 80% commissions. That's 80% payouts across the board. No pass-ups, no breakage, just clean, direct commissions. Let me show you the 3-tier breakdown. If you're visual like me, this will help. So I'm not going to do that, but here's the snapshot of the training vault I'm using daily. But here's what makes it different. Okay, so the training vault is going to look something like this. Sorry. It'll be similar to this. It's got a ton of training. How to set up your Instagram, how to set up YouTube, how to set up LinkedIn, X, etc. How to rank on YouTube and even Google too. Okay, it'll be something similar to this. The training site used to be for Affiliate Matter, and it's going to be revamped and upgraded, and before HBA. Okay, but it's an amazing system, and it will be given to you for free if you join with us. Okay. And this is everything you need and everybody else needs to be able to duplicate success, to be able to stand out from the rest, to help build lead, traffic, and sales. Okay? Everything you need, including ranking on YouTube. Okay? And I'm going to show you proof on that real quick. You see, I'm not signed in, right? So I'm looking for affiliate mentor comp plan. It's loading. Just bear with me a minute. I want to show you that this is not signed in. And these are our actual rankings, okay? So this is not, any sponsored video is not, doesn't count. It's only for it's ads, okay? It's somebody bought this, okay? So Postcard Lifestyle, that's one of our team members, okay? Develop your affiliate plan, okay? So it's a sponsored video. Postcard Lifestyle, again, Scott Bland, so 2 of the top 2. Okay, Postcard Lifestyle, Make Money On with JJ, that's me. Okay, Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle, Michael De La Cruz, another team member. Brian Zitterman, another team member. Make Money On with JJ, another team member. That's me, guys. All right, Milton Chisholm. Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle. We got about 80% of the people in this, yeah, that are ranking for this term from our team. That shows you the power of this system. And again, it's not there quite there yet, but we'll be giving it to you if you join with us, okay? And yeah, I'm looking for one more example real quick, but it's not seem to load. Maybe I'll come back to it. All right. But I want to show you now what the site actually looks like. Okay. So these are actual funnels that I have for you. Okay. That you can build with HBA, that I built, our team built for HBA, okay? So funnels, and this is one things funnels I use every single day, okay? And it's drag and drop simple, okay? They teach you how to do this in here. So we're gonna go check out Simple Freedom Warriors Justin Temple, okay? And I'm gonna show you an example of something real quick. So I'm going to go to a video of mine. Give me a second. Right here. I'm going to show you how easy this is, okay? Affiliate Meta Compensation Plan, okay? Bear with me. Alright. This is live, so things can happen. Okay, I want to get to the share URL. Okay, that's important, so bear with me. Share. Copy link. Okay, we got it, I think. So now I'm going to go into the website, and I'm going to change this. You see what it looks like right now? A guy with thumbs up, okay? We're going to change that. Okay, now look at this. Live. Boom. Totally different video. Okay, we're also going to copy and paste this title. Give me a second. Affiliate Meta Compensation Plan. Okay, copy. And watch this. This is how simple it is. Okay, all these things you not only can do live with a mentor, but you can also learn in our system. Boom. Affiliate Meta Compensation Plan. Pretty amazing, right? And yeah, another thing that we do is, let me see. Not only will you get access to a training vault for our team, right, soon, but you also get access to the training from HBA, okay? Built by mentors who actually use the system daily. You're not left alone. There's support, community, and transparency, okay? I don't know why it's not showing me in the middle. You're not selling hype, you're offering tools that actually help people build income online. This is affiliate marketing for beginners. It's a way to earn residual income online without chasing hype or joining an MLM. If you've ever searched for a Home Business Academy review or wondered how to escape the 9 to 5 with residuals, which is so important because you have residual bills, wouldn't you need residual income? This is the documentation you've been waiting for. This is me starting from zero, documenting daily inside the Home Business Academy compensation plan. I'm seeing structure, not hype. So I'm going to show you a couple of other things real quick. So if I actually can load it, and it's not loading, of course. Give me a second. So I'll show you a couple of things. I'm actually winning with this system and this training, and you not only will you be trained, but your team will be trained on exactly how to win with any system. Okay, it's a bonus that we're offering our team. One of the reasons we have the best team, we have the best training. Okay, if you join with us with HBA. Okay, it says thanks for the base. I am buying traffic for my team. Thanks for the basic traffic purchase from Traffic Authority. Your traffic will start funneling in soon, so keep an eye out, an ear out. Your message will serve as your receipt. Product, basic training, traffic package. It's $220. Okay. I want to show you that I'm actually helping my team and I'm actually getting commissions, okay, with this training. Congratulations, you've just earned it from Scan for Affiliate Mentor. You've earned a $50 Spark Matrix Cycle commission. You've also unlocked a new Spark training module and another Matrix position, which will be processed shortly. Log into your back office for more details. Thank you, Affiliate Mentor. I want to show you how that works and what it looks like. So this is me. This is 6 people, okay? And that was the completed board, then I earned a commission. And there's 2 people on the next board. But I want you to see, pay attention, these all sponsored John Sully, the Cheryl Hanna and Bobby Nation, okay? That I'm actually helping my team. Cheryl Hanna got 2 people from John Sully, see? And Bobby Nation's got 2 people from John Sully. So not only am I earning commissions, and not only am I buying traffic to help my team, not only are we offering training that no other person is going to offer you. Like, we want you to become superstars. We want you to be trained. We want to train your people and get them to be so you can duplicate success, okay? How important is that? And build any online system with this training, okay? I want you to drop a fire emoji if you've ever been burned by a funnel. Comment respect if you're done chasing hype. Type day 1 if you're starting fresh like me. Comment enough if you've ever felt sold but not supported. If you tried everything and nothing worked, this is the one built for you. Click below. Watch the walkthrough. You've given enough. This one gives back. It's been paying for years and years. Okay. And so if you're paying $97 for something like ClickFunnels, or $147, or wouldn't you like to pay $25 and earn 80% commissions residually, okay? So you get paid month after month. Pearson joins you, you get paid month after month, okay? And they're going to stay because not only are they getting the tools for much cheaper, they're getting drag and drop simple. They're getting training. They're getting supported. And they also they're going to get the training for our team that makes us the best team. And we're going to stand out, and you're going to be ranking all over YouTube, where there's video that's showing your face like this, or some of my other videos that were faceless, okay? They're going to get the exact training on how to do this and how to duplicate. So you be building a team that is a badass, okay? If you're watching this thinking, I've heard this before, I get it. That's why I'm not asking for trust. I'm earning it one video at a time. Residual income isn't optional no more. It's survival. And this system, it respects your time, your effort, and your belief. I'm not here to sell you. I'm here to show you. Before I wrap this up, let me say the title again, word for word. Home Business Academy compensation plan, starting from 0. Here's what I'm documenting daily. That's what this video is. That's what this journey is. No earnings yet, just no hype, just truth documented daily. This is JJ Sully, aka John Sully, aka your friendly neighborhood Sully man. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.